State Attorney John McCarthy announced that Lee Welch has been indicted with 2 counts of first-degree felony murder for the death of the Lyon sisters back in 1975. John and Mary Lyon attended the press event where law enforcement officials announced the indictment of their daughter's alleged killer.
The men and women of the Montgomery County Police Department have never given up on finding these girls. This case has been looked at many times through the years as we worked to give answers to the Lyon family and bring justice to this case. With today's announcement, we're finally able to start answering the questions of what happened in April of 1975.
Lee Welch is a 58-year-old imprisoned child sex offender serving a sentence in Delaware. He faces 2 counts of first-degree felony murder for the disappearance of Sheila Lyon, who was 12, and her sister Catherine, who was 10 at the time. The sisters vanished after walking to a shopping mall in Wheaton to look for Easter decorations.
Virginia State Police, Montgomery County Police, Bedford County Sheriff's Office have spent many painstaking hours in very rough terrain, in very heavy, cold, snowy weather up on the mountains looking for forensic evidence in this particular case.
According to court documents, back in '75, Lee Welch showed up at a relative's home in Bedford County in Virginia carrying 2 duffel bags, each weighing about 70 pounds. The bags had red stains and an odor of decay. A fire was built and the bags were thrown into it. The account of the fire and duffel bags came to detectives by Welch's cousin.
Non-cooperation has prolonged this investigation and made it difficult. Whether or not it amounts to formal obstruction of justice charges is to be determined and is being evaluated. I will say one family member, Patricia Welch, was indicted and is to stand trial for perjury before the multi-jurisdictional grand jury.
Should the case go to trial, prosecutors face a difficult task. It is unclear where the girls were killed. No bodies have been found, and putting together a case after 40 years might be challenging. Lee Welch has said that he had nothing to do with the girls' disappearance.